Hey guys, welcome back to Craftiverse Kids. Today we're making slime with DJ and
Mickey!
Okay guys, let's get right into it. Okay, so first we put our baking soda.
Okay.
Make sure there's no. Now we gotta put on our gloves. Okay?
Okay. This is going to be really awesome.
Really awesome.
It's hard.
Okay, so now that I have my gloves on. Come on, Mickey.
I'm coming.
Okay, so we need the gloves because we have chemicals that we really don't want on our hands, which is baking soda and saline solution. So this is saline solution baking soda. Okay, so now that we have our baking soda in, we put one half of a teaspoon of baking soda in our container.
We did that.
Yeah, already. Okay, so now that we have that in, we take our glue.
Okay.
Screw off the lid. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's farting. So, we want to make slime because it's just really fun to play with. We like the sounds most of the time. Okay, so now that we've got, do you have your glue out?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that we have our glue out, we want to add our saline solution, aka our activator. 3. So we're adding about 2 tablespoons of saline solution, which is our activator. On 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa. Okay. Take one finger and start mixing. Mix until a really nice slimy texture.
This is how mine is looking.
That's how mine is looking.
Mine's kind of looking into slime.
Mine's kind of turning into slime. Okay, so I want to add my colored glue into my slime.
Let's get
About 1 drop.
I was going to use the color blue.
You can
But
still use
it's
it.
okay.
Do you still want to use it?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. I know you like the color blue.
How much drops?
1. Okay, that's 2.
Oh no.
Oh, this is awesome.
Whoa. That
Whoa.
looks so awesome.
This awesome slime.
Mine's slime.
Really? It's supposed to. Whoa! Oh man. This is so awesome. Okay, so now that my slime is in a nice texture, I'm going to take off my glove to play with it.
Oh no.
Oh, nice slime. Okay, so right now I really just like roll off the slime off the gloves. That's what works best for me.
Yeah. I might get them into little bags. I'm trying to use this to mix it.
Make sure you like and subscribe to Craftiverse Kids. Awesome.
I haven't played in slime in
I
a
haven't
minute.
either. I haven't played with slime in such a long time.
Whoa. Feels so
Wow. Oh, it feels so good.
It's a little
Stretchy.
sticky, but it's good.
That's why you gotta play with it so it's not so stretchy.
But how are you supposed to play with it if it's stringy?
That's why you gotta play with it. You got to have slime hands like me. See? You gotta play with it fast. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, now that we've got our awesome slime, we're gonna head out. Hope you enjoy your slime. Bye, Craftiverse Kids. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.
Peace